Here's how to make a Google Forms friend group survey. Open Google Forms in your web browser. Create a new form. Select the plus sign blank form tile at the top of the page to start a new Google Forms document. Insert questions and answers. Questions will go into the untitled question field, while the answers will go next to the listed circles. The answers should be your friends' names listed. To put more than one answer, fill the text into the Add option field. Share your form. Once you're done creating the form, select Publish in the top right corner. To send via link, select the chain icon and then copy and paste the link elsewhere. Compile the results. Once your friends have all voted on the form, return to the form and select the Responses tab to see pie charts of all results. You can print the responses or save it to your device. You can also screenshot the pie charts to share with your friends. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.